Okay guys, this is the conclusion lesson. Let's just review what we do. We first import our libraries as always, then read the CSV file. But this is not the line that we need. We can just delete this line or not. Yes, we can delete this. And after we are reading our file, we create the function that give us the items names in a folder. And after we are reading that, we get the names very easy here. As you can see, it is the names of the videos. We get them easily, and after that, this is a test line. We create a function that read all the data in a column and add them to our data list. And after that, this is a test list again. We create a data list, and for the X in the file name that create upper, we append all the comments in one Excel file. We append all the things in one Excel file by using the SS that return this list and then appending this SS to this file. And as you can see, the data list has been created with all the comments. Let me just delete it. And then we put all the data to ll.csv, but we change the name to all data 1 CSV and then storage them to all data 1.csv, and our work is done. This is the end of the first part of the project. This is also a project for itself. We use the previous project that give the names of these videos and another project that get their IPs and by the IPs get their comments, and we put them together. Now in the next lesson we were going to learn about supervised and unsupervised machine learning and AI for our purpose of the next video. Have a good time until then.